In the previous video, I showed you how to make a silhouette shaped flag. You can watch that video. It's number 51, I believe, in my playlist. In this one, I'm going to show you how to make a shadow layer for that. And this is what we just got done making in the previous video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of this, right click and duplicate, and left click and move it. Apparently I only had one color selected. Duplicate, right click, drag that off, and then on this one I'm going to go to Path Union. That makes it all one solid image. And then what I can do is go to Path Linked Offset, and I can add an offset. It looks like, yeah, that's what I thought. All right, let me Control Z back out of this. Okay, so after I Path Union, you can see all these little specks in here, all these little nodes. Those are going to cut. So what you need to do after you Path Union is go to Path Break Apart and then Path Union again. And as you can see, it filled all those in except for this one. So I'll just left click on that and delete it. And I will hold Control and click in these little circles here. And what that does is it retracts that back into its node. And now you can see that there are no stray nodes inside. Now I can select it and I can go to Path Linked Offset. And I'll turn it black, left click on this little diamond and drag upwards till I get a thickness that I think I might want. Then I can do Path, Object Path. I'll go to my selection tool, deselect everything by clicking off here, or there is a deselect button right here up on the top above the window. And then I'm going to drag my cat off, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. And then this, I will have a shadow layer for the image that we made earlier. Grab the black here. Now, depending on your image, if I zoom in, you can see how bumpy it is. You can straighten that out just by where this bump is, select those nodes and hit delete, and it just gets rid of them, okay? If you don't want this little bump here by its face. And these little handles you can adjust as well, but this here has to be selected, show up as air handles of selected nodes, okay? So, I mean, you know, it may be a little extra work, but in my opinion, it's worth it. I mean, you can make some pretty cool images. What I didn't do was turn this back to white. Now that it's on a black background, you can see it better. So that's it. I mean, pretty simple, right? So have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and join me for my next video.